Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a mixer truck. Some magic mixer truck. Let's draw and color it together. Has a big spinning drum that mixes things inside. When it turns, it can mix up paint, colors, or even magic. I'm going to color this truck with different colors. There are stars on its wheels. I'm going to color this truck with different colors. Now, let's color. Red. Orange. Yellow. This is a colorful truck. Green. Blue.
Baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
Purple.
Mockingbird, don't sing.
Pink. Do you love playing with toy trucks? Orange. Yellow. Red. Blue. Green. Yellow. This truck looks amazing. Great job, little artists. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.